I wanted to give you a quick demo of the Shopify Kiosk, the entire solution, and how it pairs with one of our smart locker systems here as well. So we'll go over a quick demo of how these work and actually see an entire transaction from beginning to end happen right now. So quick recap of the Shopify Kiosk. Again, it's an extremely versatile, very, very powerful solution which combines touchscreen digital signage like this with an entire Shopify self-checkout experience that's integrated with your Shopify store. So to begin, whenever customers look at one of our beautiful 32-inch kiosks like this, we can run advertisements, we can run videos, we can run posters. You can see this client, for example, is running a flyer with some specials that are going on right now. But we really have a lot of versatility when it comes to digital signage with this beautiful 32-inch multi-touch display here. So as you can see, the digital signage loop, it's very attractive. It attracts people to use it. We have beautiful LED lights on the side as well that do the same thing. Just give it the kiosk a very interesting and inviting sort of look, so people will engage with the unit. And then whenever I'm ready, I'm a customer, I can step up to it, I can tap on the screen to get started. This is going to take us into the Shopify integrated self-checkout experience. And so what you can see here is all of these products, all these collections and products are actually coming in directly from your Shopify account with a complete integration into your Shopify store. So you just have one central place where you manage your products, your inventory, your collections and everything. And then the kiosk just behaves exactly how you want it and shows all of that information nice and organized like this. So for example, I can jump through collections here. We can organize these however we want. I can also just tap on a product, for example, get some information about it. This pulls in the latest information from your Shopify account, displays it here. These are just the same descriptions. We can hop over to another product. It's just like this. You can flip through different variants if you have different variants as well. And then simply we can add something to our cart. The Shopify Kiosk also supports self-checkout with Scan to Go. So for example, if we had a product with a barcode and Shopify is set up with that barcode, we could actually just simply scan the barcode on our Honeywell scanner here, and right away it loads up that product. See, now we have a quantity of 2. I can add another one just by scanning it like that, and it'll update the quantity to 3, and so on and so forth. We could add products by scanning, we can add products by browsing, and then pretty much whenever we're ready to go, we can just simply do a checkout and pay. On the final checkout, we'll ask the customer for whatever information we need to gather from them. Sometimes this could be as simple as just an email address or a phone number. If you're going to be shipping products, you'll also want to get their shipping information. We can do that here. We have a beautiful on-screen keyboard built into this that makes it really easy to enter things like email addresses very quickly, just like that. And then whenever we're ready to proceed, we simply hit checkout and pay. What that's going to do is it's going to send the total amount to a fully integrated payment terminal like this. This is an Ingenico Lane 3000, the latest and greatest in payment terminal technology. So we're going to do a quick payment process right here. Select credit. This is all fully secured. This one is an integration with global payments. So we're going to complete our payment just by tapping my card. We could use Apple Pay as well if I have it on my phone. And you can see we have a thank you come up, and then you'll see that the locker automatically opens up like that. So you can see right away the kiosk integrated with the locker, sent the order over to the locker. We can open it up, we can take out whatever we purchased, and it's a very beautiful, magical kind of experience for the customer to be able to do all of that on their own without any attendant, without anything required. You can see within just a few minutes we were able to complete a very complicated transaction, and the beautiful thing about this is it's all, again, integrated with Shopify. So order goes into your Shopify backend, you can do all of your reporting, you can get all of your information from Shopify just as you normally would. Payments are processed using a physical payment terminal, so you're able to save quite a bit on processing rates as well by using a physical payment terminal instead of an online solution. And then of course we have a receipt printer that can print out the receipts and all that information for the customer after they've completed their payments. So that's a quick look at the Shopify self-checkout kiosk integrated with one of our smart locker solutions. Really robust, beautiful solution that's actually been deployed and is in use at many different types of retail stores already, very successfully. So that's a quick look. If you'd like more information about this, or want to dive a little bit more into how the smart locker works, how the kiosk works, let us know, and we can schedule a quick demo and answer any of your questions on that. Thanks. Hey there, I wanted to give you a quick demo and more insight into the Eflyn Smart Locker, and we'll go over exactly how it works, how it's structured. Before we do that, let's see how it works. So I'm just going to do a quick checkout here on our Shopify self-checkout kiosk. We actually have another demo that goes over how this all works, but check this out. So once a purchase is made, you can see the smart locker. The way it works is it's integrated through an API with our software. And so you can use it with our software, you can use it with many other types of software, but really what it's designed to do is enable all kinds of really interesting business applications for pickups, for drop-offs of various products. You can see the locker is actually customizable. Each of these ports here, the boxes can be changed and be in different sizes. So on this unit here, for example, you can see the top couple of boxes are the same size, and then we have smaller boxes, for example, you know, if what the products you're expecting to ship or pick up are smaller, maybe documents, for example, and then we have really big lockers down here, which are for much bigger parcels. So you can create, we can manufacture a locker with various sizes. We can manufacture a locker with a single size if you know exactly the kind of product that you're going to be having stored in these. We can also manufacture these to any length. So for example, right now we have one cabinet and then the host cabinet as well, and then we can have many other cabinets all connected to this central system. And so you can have any number of, you can fill up a whole wall really with these smart boxes, and they can all be integrated with an application as well. And again, various sizes are possible. So you can see here we have a couple other really neat features. We have a scanner built in. This is used for if for example you don't want it to auto open like it did in this demo here. You want the user to actually have like a barcode or a code that they have to actually punch into the screen or scan on the scanner, which will open up a parcel. So you can set it up that way as well. We have this empty space here. This is actually where we can set up a payment terminal. So if you wanted to actually integrate, like for example, we had the Shopify self-checkout kiosk connected to this. Instead of that, you can actually put the whole experience of a purchase and setup and all of that in this, and payments with a payment terminal here as well. So there are a lot of really great features of this and many different ways you can use it. We have the entire system runs on Windows 10. So there are some other solutions out there that are Android based. They're not as powerful, they're not as slick, and they're not as responsive as using a fully built-in Windows 10 i5 based system. And so you can take advantage of that. And then again, as I mentioned, the locker can be built to any length. It can be any color. Right now we have this beautiful black finish. The entire locker is actually, because of security purposes, it's completely tamper-proof. So there's really no way to get in and try and open up a locker. It's very, very difficult, essentially impossible to kind of get into any part of it. There's no open screws available anywhere. It's all fully secured. So, you know, no matter how expensive the goods are that you're shipping into these and storing, they're fully secured. And then of course we have the ability to do custom printing as well on the sides. Like for example, you can see the Eflyn logo on the side of this one here. So we can do some really beautiful things with custom wrapping, branding, and things like that. So you can really make it your own solution. So that's a quick look at the Eflyn Smart Locker. If you have any other questions, you can visit our website. We have a lot of information there, or you can contact us and we can set up a demo and answer some more detailed questions for you. Thanks.